Hello everybody, I'm Dominic Williams, founder and chief scientist of the DFINITY Foundation. Thank you World Blockchain Conference for inviting me to talk, and thank you everyone for joining. I'm excited to be here. Today we stand on the cusp of a Web3 revolution. This presents unprecedented opportunities for developers, enterprises, entrepreneurs, and investors. And I'm going to explain to you how the last great Layer 1 blockchain project, the Internet Computer, enables those opportunities. The Internet's functionality is expanding, and the world is about to change. Until now, the Internet has just been a global network. The Internet Computer extends this functionality, so the Internet is also a public compute platform, enabling you to build directly on the network. This is a paradigm shift that will change everything. The not-for-profit DFINITY Foundation has led initial development of the enabling technology, funded by an endowment worth more than $1 billion, using one of the strongest research and development teams in all of tech. Additional not-for-profit organizations like the Internet Computer Association are also now joining the fray to coordinate and connect the ecosystem. The Internet Computer is the third great innovation in blockchain. A blockchain with seamless, infinite capacity. The Internet Computer is created by the ICP protocol, which runs over IP and weaves together the compute capacity of special machines run by independent data centers around the world. The Internet Computer hosts WebAssembly canisters, which are an advanced evolution of smart contracts. Essentially, canisters are secure code units that package WebAssembly bytecode and the memory pages the bytecode runs in. What's cool is that the Internet Computer can host as many canisters as needed without limit. You can build systems and services that scale all the way to hyperscale directly on the public internet. Canisters are unstoppable and tamper-proof. Just like the internet was designed to withstand a nuclear strike, so is the Internet Computer. What is more, firewalls are unnecessary because the platform is completely tamper-proof. Canisters can serve user experience directly to users from the Internet Computer without any intermediaries. Users do not need tokens to interact with systems and services. The reason this is possible is that canisters are pre-charged with cycles, which fuel their computation. This is essentially a reverse gas model, which frees users from needing tokens to interact with hosted systems and services. Cycles complete an economic flow. The ICP protocol rewards data centers with ICP governance tokens. These can be sold to canister operators who can use the protocol to transform them into cycles, whereafter they are burned. The Internet Computer can be used to build many things better, including websites, enterprise systems, open hyperscale internet services, pan-industry platforms, and DeFi. New systems are built without any dependencies on legacy IT, such as proprietary cloud services, server machines, or database systems. The developer of the future builds simply by writing abstract logic into cyberspace, making use of revolutionary new capabilities. In a decade, public cyberspace will host a substantial chunk of humankind's back-end software and data on a blockchain network, and developers and users will be free. Perhaps the biggest opportunity for entrepreneurs and investors relates to building open internet services. Open internet services run as part of the fabric of the internet using autonomous code. They are controlled by transparent, open, tokenized governance systems. It's a bit like open source applied to running services. If you bootstrap open internet services, you can sell the governance tokens to raise funds, either directly to investors or in automated ways using internet computer mechanisms. Today, 99% of the world's technical talent resides outside of Silicon Valley, where there's little venture capital. Token-based fundraising is going to unlock the potential of that worldwide talent. Open internet services can provide open alternatives to big tech with special advantages. For example, think about Google Photos. Remember when you could sync your photos to your drive? That's not possible anymore. Everything is locked in and your photos disappear if you're ill and your credit card expires. On the internet computer, you can build an open photos that enables users to make a deposit once and never have to pay again by applying DeFi. That service would provide other advantages too. Because the platform is tamper-proof, users could be assured that hackers would never see their photos. And I'm sure you've heard that just a few weeks ago, white hat hackers found they could see everything on iCloud. Meanwhile, another huge advantage of open internet services is that they can share functionality and data with other services using APIs they cannot later revoke or degrade, enabling services to build on top of each other without having to trust one another, providing for a real programmable web with incredible network effects. This means Open Photos users would benefit from a constantly expanding array of third-party image filters and exciting new ways to use their photos. Now think about Uber. You could create an open rides where early riders and drivers are incentivized to participate through the grant of governance tokens. Lower costs would mean that drivers could retain more of their earnings. And open rides could enter the numerous territories where pre-existing taxi monopolies have launched legal attacks on Uber because you can't attack the fabric of the internet, which isn't owned by anyone in a traditional sense. The opportunities are endless. But what is more, the internet computer makes building advanced services like these easier. Imagine being able to build a hyperscale internet service in just 1,000 lines of code. CanCan is a sample app for the internet computer that we built and continue to extend, which will be released in the new year. It works like TikTok. It streams short user videos. It also incentivizes with tokens. Tokenization is possible because open internet services are autonomous, like blockchains. On CanCan, users can have 10 super likes every 24 hours. When they see videos which they think are going to go viral, they super like them. And when a video goes viral, CanCan looks at the order in which super likes were made, and those users who super liked early on participate in a reward points shower. What's cool is that there are regular drop days where users can exchange reward points for CanCan governance tokens or exchange them for prizes provided by sponsors who can use the points to pay for advertising. Even better, users can tip video producers with red letters containing reward points from their stash to show appreciation and encourage them to do more. With this kind of functionality, we are recommending entrepreneurs pivot their ventures and surf the open internet wave. Venture funds have earmarked billions of dollars to invest in open internet and crypto projects. And of course, tokenized open internet services can raise funds directly from the decentralized internet from anywhere. So if you are an entrepreneur outside Silicon Valley, this is your chance. Go to sdk.dfinity.org if you want to try out an SDK that makes it easy to build on the internet computer. This is a historic opportunity to build out the open internet and create impact. December is the month when the internet computer finally spins out as part of the public internet as per the Mercury milestone. Thanks again. Hope you'll join us soon.